If Pixlr is down for you today, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes to get Pixlr working again. Whether the page is not loading, the editor is stuck, the screen is black, or the site is just refusing to open, these steps can help you troubleshoot the issue quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, start with the quickest fix, and that is a force refresh. While you're on the Pixlr tab, press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows to clear the page cache and reload the site completely. This can solve problems caused by a broken old session, outdated files, or a page that did not load correctly the first time. If you're on a Mac, you can use the browser's hard refresh option instead. If that does not work, the next step is to test Pixlr in private mode. Open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows, then go directly to Pixlr again and see if it loads normally. If Pixlr works in private mode, that usually means something in your main browser is causing the problem. The most common issue here is a browser extension, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. In that case, go back to your normal browser and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one that is blocking Pixlr. Now let's clear the browser data, because corrupted cache and cookies are one of the most common reasons websites stop loading properly. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you check cached images and files and cookies. Once those are selected, click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser completely and try Pixlr again. This step often fixes loading loops, sign-in issues, and pages that freeze before the editor opens. If Pixlr opens but feels laggy, glitches, or shows a black screen, then you should check hardware acceleration. Go into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Depending on what it is currently set to, toggle it off or on. For many users, turning it off fixes rendering issues, while for others, turning it on improves performance. After changing the setting, relaunch the browser so the update takes effect, then test Pixlr again. If the website is still not working, the next fix is to flush your DNS. This helps reset your network connection and can solve problems where your computer is reaching the wrong server or holding on to old network information. On Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, and press Enter to open command prompt. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. Once the command runs, restart your browser and try loading Pixlr again. This simple network reset can make a big difference if the outage is related to connection routing or DNS caching. At this point, if Pixlr still is not loading, try one more browser check. Make sure your browser is fully updated, then close every extra tab and restart it again. You can also test a different browser just to confirm whether the issue is specific to the one you normally use. If Pixlr works in another browser, then the problem is most likely a setting, extension, or cache issue in your main browser rather than Pixlr itself. So to recap, the best fixes are force refreshing the page, testing in incognito mode, clearing cache and cookies, toggling hardware acceleration, and flushing DNS. In most cases, one of those steps will get Pixlr back up and running. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.